Today we're building something simple, but something super powerful. That is a 7800X3D paired with the RTX 4070. We're putting it all in the beautiful Deepcool CH370, which happens to be one of our favorite mini or micro MATX tower cases that you'll see today on the channel.
B650MA Pro coming in from MSI. Fantastic little budget motherboard. Easily run that 7800X3D that we have here down on the socket. A 2 terabyte P5 Plus coming in from Crucial. And we have 6000 CL30 with 32 gigs of DDR5. Really good timing, really nice and tight for that 7800X3D to get some really good FPS out of. Get the case out. Again, mini micro ATX today, and the CH370 coming in from Deepcool. There it is, chat. 4072 fan Ventus, perfect for this little mini monster we're really building today. 3, 2, 1, hear the thunk.